The beauty of underfloor heating is the comfort of it. No matter what time of day, no matter what the season, wherever you go in a space, in a room, the temperature's constant. One of the greatest things when people come here for the first time and they walk into the main living space, they're just not expecting it. Their first reaction is, oh, that's nice. It's literally that. And it's like shoes off, they're like, oh, it's like being in a spa. Isn't it really? Yeah, it's really comfortable. So it's not a case you've got to dig all your floors up to have underfloor heating. It just doesn't work like that anymore. Take your carpet up, prepare your subfloor, and put an overfloor system in. It's really, really easy. It's just so much more user-friendly than your old-fashioned sort of heating styles, of radiators. If you've got an eye for design and you want your house to look lovely, underfloor heating, it's your world, do what you like, it doesn't get in the way. You don't even know there's a heating system in here. It's invisible. It just works. As I'm talking, it's kind of marketing, but for me it's not, because I genuinely mean these things. There's actually people that have come around here, they've done their whole house up, they've put lovely oak flooring in, and they've got nice column radiators, tall, they're features. But now, they've done their house 2 years ago, and they are saying, should we take our floors up? Should we do it? And they want to change it completely. Now, this particular renovation project took place last year now. And I was introduced to Wunda underfloor heating system through my plumber. And he had said to me what a good system it was, how easy it was to install. In fact, when I was using the system, I was introducing it to my builder, who was only used to using sort of in-screed systems. So this was new to him as well. Once I had the plan for the build, that plan just got sent to Underfloor via email, and they came back with the plan for the system. So there's no headaches of thinking, what bits do I need? If you are thinking of doing it on your own, there's the support from Underfloor, and they will make sure that the system that they specify for your property will be seamless and faultless. The thing is, as soon as this went in, as soon as it was set up, as soon as it was running, I haven't had to touch it at all. Because the thing about it is, once it's set, once it's working, it just works. If anyone was ever to ask me, I would always insist on going with a wet system. Modern homes now and new builds really should be incorporating it. So you can see here, nearly the whole of the ground floor is tiled. Now that's very unusual for the UK. I think if you were to tell people your living room was tiled, they'd think, oh, how cold and uncomfortable it must be. But actually, it's not, and that is what Wunda underfloor heating systems afford you to do. You can mess around with different floor finishes, whether that's timber, tiling, carpet, lino. It really doesn't matter. You can put whatever you want on top of them, and that is the beauty of the underfloor system.